Hi, I'm Christine Hopkins, author of 100 Things to Do in Galveston Before You Die. While the #1 reason that people come to Galveston are our beaches, we also have some incredible family attractions. And one of the most popular attractions on the island is Moody Gardens. Your Galveston vacation should definitely include Moody Gardens. Here you're going to find 3 pyramids: the Aquarium, the Rainforest Pyramid, and lastly the Discovery Museum, which hosts different exhibits. They're always rotating through. Nearby, you're going to find the Colonel Paddlewheel boat, which gives you a tour of Offatts Bayou. They also have an IMAX movie theater, a 4D ride film, and if you want to get on the beach and enjoy some white sands, maybe music, they have their own Palm Beach as well. Additionally, they also have a ropes course that adds to the excitement of your visit. You can easily spend a whole day at Moody Gardens. And today we're going to give you a tour of the Rainforest Pyramid and the Aquarium at Moody Gardens. Moody Gardens Aquarium covers several different regions of species, including the Gulf of Mexico, the South Atlantic, the North Pacific, the South Pacific, and finally the Caribbean. Everyone loves the penguins, right? So here at the Moody Gardens Aquarium, they have 5 species in this exhibit, and you might be able to time it to catch it to see them when they're feeding the penguins. Another tip that you'll want to take advantage of is check their website for information on a penguin encounter. You can do a behind-the-scenes penguin encounter and learn more about the biology of the penguins, their habits, and they even have an option where you have a take-home souvenir of a penguin painting. Lots of fun and so much education. This seal exhibit has 2 different species, and here's a tip for you. There's 2 great vantage points. It's so therapeutic. I mean, just look at them. They're beautiful. Wow. Now we're at the Moody Gardens Rainforest Pyramid. This is the Treetop Trail. So it's an elevated walkway through the rainforest. You're going to have a bird's eye view of what you can see in this incredible exhibit. You're going to find plants and birds and animals and insects that you would find in Africa, Asia, and the Americas. And so make sure you take a moment, pause, listen, and look. You'll be so surprised at what you're going to see here. It's definitely worth adding to your travel itinerary. It's incredible. As a guest of Ryson Real Estate and Vacation Rentals, make sure you check our website for information on discounted tickets to Moody Gardens. Take advantage of Gulf Coast Concierge, Ryson's exclusive concierge service, for information on attractions, a bonfire on the beach, grocery service, or any recommendations to make your trip all you'd expect. Moody Gardens is just one of the family-friendly attractions you'll find on the island. Book your vacation soon with Ryson Vacation Rentals. Be sure to like and subscribe to our page to keep up with all things vacationing on Galveston Island.